You're watching KCAL 9 News at 2.
Well, if you're one of those people who feels stressed all the time, doctors have a warning and some advice for you. Stress can have deadly consequences, but there is something you can do about it. Rush hour in Southern California, but no one's rushing anywhere. Traffic is just one of the things in life that can stress us out. But how you handle that stress may save your life.
We become stressed over things that really aren't that important. They don't sweat the small stuff, and most of it's the small stuff.
Dr. Scott Herman is a cardiologist at San Gabriel Valley Medical Center. Dr. Herman says there's good stress and bad stress, but which is which depends on the person.
Some stressful situations that some people are in, they find invigorating. Other people would have the same situation and find it very demoralizing. And it really is whatever your own thermostat, as it were, is set at.
Some typical stressors: driving in traffic, an annoying habit of a loved one, standing in line at the supermarket.
What drives my patients really crazy is if they're in the supermarket in a 10-item or less lane and the person in front of them has 11 items, they go nuts. and it's that kind of stuff that I think that people should learn to avoid.
The worst kind of stress caused by anxiety or worry.
Anxiety can raise blood pressure, can make you actually feel depressed.
To get rid of stress, Dr. Herman recommends identifying and handling the main culprit, whether it's the boss, the spouse, or the traffic. For that one, try leaving a few minutes earlier so traffic won't make you late. When standing in a long line, grab a magazine to read. But the simple way to get rid of almost all of your stress is to exercise.
Exercises that are good are as simple as walking, bike riding, jogging, swimming, walking upstairs instead of taking an elevator. If parking a car and walking, I've seen a number of people drive around half an hour looking for a parking spot to get in their gym.
Shame. Regular exercise can also decrease your risk of diabetes, lower body weight, and lower blood pressure. Well, finally, every